Hello class, we are going to do a program in order to turn on and turn off an LED. So drag one of the boards, the BQ Zoom, and drop here. Now we need an LED. From Components, select LED, connect to 13 pin, and now go to Software. We are going to go to Loop and drag and drop this component, switch on this block, and the block wait 500 milliseconds, half a second. Now we need this block duplicated but with switch off, not on. Duplicate this block and now the program is finished. The only thing is to load to our controller board. It's detecting the board. And now loading the project onto board. Oh, here's an error. We are going to try it again to load again. Loading. And now it's okay. We have properly uploaded the project to our controller board.